Hi, I'm JJ Virgin, nutrition and fitness expert of jjvirgin.com, here today to talk to you about a simple diet with fiber. And did you know that the average person only gets in 9 to 14 grams of fiber a day? By the way, I recommend 50 grams or more of fiber a day. That's a big difference. Why do I like so much fiber? Well, I tell people to fill up with fiber. It is the #1 weapon for weight loss because it slows down stomach emptying, which means that you stay feeling fuller longer. It also gives you, sorry, no better way to say this, poops that you can be proud of. So it's going to keep you regular. It helps lower LDL. It's detoxifying. It helps feed that good bacteria in your gut, and that's so important for nutrient absorption. So let me share with you some of my most favorite foods that are high in fiber. And as you'll find, these are like yum. These are great things to add to your diet, so this isn't going to be painful at all. First thing that I love is to add some whole grains, and the grains I really like are things that are more gluten-free. So I love quinoa. This is my current favorite. I've actually, I like brown rice, but I've been replacing my brown rice with quinoa. It's higher in protein. For fruit, you can't beat apples. They help heal your gut. And raspberries, of all the berries, all berries are high in fiber, by the way, and rich in antioxidants, but raspberries are the highest. Now, sweet potatoes not only are rich in vitamin A, beta carotene, but they also are rich in fiber. Nuts and seeds, of course, and a great thing to do is grind up flaxseed meal and throw it into your morning smoothie. That's a way to pump up the fiber. Throw in some raspberries, throw in some flaxseed meal. Beans are fabulous. Lentils I especially love because they're also higher in protein. Make sure when you're eating oatmeal can be great, rich in fabulous fiber, but make sure that you're not getting the quick cooking one. When you make something quick cooking, you actually break down the fiber, so it needs to take a while to cook, all right? And then of course, loads of non-starchy vegetables. I'm giving a shout out to Brussels sprouts because they're one of my favorites. I'm JJ Virgin of jjvirgin.com, and those are tips for a simple diet with fiber.